Hey everyone, this is a quick little tutorial about how to record full screen Diablo 2 without any like weird transition delays between the menu and gameplay. Basically what happens is the game, every time you save and exit, the game transitions into menu. Whenever that happens, for some reason the game flickers on and off, or flickers to a different resolution and back to the same resolution again. A way I've discovered to bypass this is by using Glide Wrapper. The first thing you need to do, however, is you need to go to your display settings on the window. I have multiple screens set up here. I have 3 monitors. You might not have 3 monitors. Either way, whatever screen you are using to capture your game, I'm using number 3. You need to set the display resolution to 800 by 600, and you need to make it your main display. So you have to click this as well. It's already my main display, so it's grayed out. This window opened on a different screen, so I have to change that. And you'll get a pop-up about whether or not you want to keep the settings, so make sure you confirm that. Here, I'll just change it to a different resolution just to demonstrate. See, that's the screen transition flicker I was talking about. Keep changes. Let's go back to the 800 by 600. Keep changes. Make this my main display, and you're done with this. So X out of that. Next thing we want to do is download Glide Wrapper. And that's at this website right here. Download the file, whichever file works, for the version of the game you're playing. So if you're doing it on 1.14D, then download this one. You'll get a folder that looks like this. You want to click and drag all these files into your main games folder, which looks like this. And once you have done that, you want to double click Glide, which will open this window. It might be in German. Just be sure to click English if you want it in English. I always click default settings, restore default values, just in case it changed for whatever reason. If it's a fresh download, then you shouldn't need to do this, but there's no hurt in doing that. If you want windowed mode, you can definitely check this, but if you're watching this, you're probably trying to run the game in full screen. All these settings should stay the same, but the only thing you want to check is desktop resolution. And what this does is it forces the game to always be at the desktop resolution, so that whenever the game is trying to transition between menu and game, it's not going to flicker to different resolutions, which causes that weird black screen delay to happen in the OBS capture. So we click that, and you can hit test. If you didn't have it checked and you clicked exit, then you would see that flicker, but you see that it does not do that. So that's just the test. That's the only thing you have to do, and quit out. The next thing you want to do, and I'll just do this in my streaming folder here, make shortcuts. I always make shortcuts with different properties. You want to make a shortcut that has -3dfx on it. And you probably don't want -W in it, which forces the game to be in windowed mode. So just -3dfx, -sound background for sound being in the background. And once you have that done, you should be able to double click this. I already have the game open, so let's open that. And save quit. Rejoin. You don't get any screen flicker. And just to show that it works with the timer, let's create a new character real quick. And there it goes. See if it works with the no load timer. Yeah, it definitely paused. Alright, I hope that helps everybody run this game in full screen. Oh, and I guess I should show what you do in OBS. Oops. So OBS, on my tiny screen here, you want to have a display capture, and then you just capture the display of the one window. Just like that. Capture cursor if you want. But yeah, what will happen is if you alt tab out of your game, then it's gonna capture whatever is on your screen. So watch out. All right. I think that covers everything. Sorry if this isn't super polished. I'm in a rush, but I wanted to get this out there because it became an apparent issue with submitted runs on speedrun.com. So we wanted to find a way to fix this so that people can play this game and submit runs in full screen. Have a good day, everybody.